I'm Henrietta, otherwise known as Henry. I thought I'd start a channel because I really do enjoy plants, as you might be able to tell. I get a lot of questions because I enjoy growing plants and I enjoy sort of talking about them and things like that. So I thought it might be good to make a channel to mark my progress and also to get a collection of frequently asked questions sort of down in one place that I can refer people to. I'm going to try and include sort of a problem plant. I tend to focus a lot on plants that are on the brink of death. It's also because I'm cheap, but mainly because I enjoy sort of feeling quite powerful, bringing them back to life. But I'll try and focus on a plant that's a problem. So if you do have any plants in the house that you do find are you find difficult to grow or you find difficult to keep up, do just let me know in a comment. I might sort of bring it up at one point. I'll definitely keep a note of them all. If I have them, I'll certainly bring them up. Any questions you have about issues, pests, problems with growing them, questions with medium, things like that, I'll definitely cover all the basics. I want to get my progress updates in there as well. I'd like to sort of document all the new plants I get, which will be good for the progress. Should have said that first. It's really going to be loosely structured. I'd like a lot of input from people who may be interested in this kind of thing to leave comments, send me messages, things like that. You know, it'd be good to see what kind of issues people have, especially if they have the same issues as me. I'll certainly be asking questions. I'm in no way an expert. I'm just incredibly freakishly passionate about plants. Uh, so I will try and come up with a video fairly soon. I'm going to be doing a lot of propagating, so even though I should really start with the basics, I'll probably allow for a propagation video to start with some progress as well. So that probably is going to be tomorrow. I will be out in the garden at some point, but I feel like that's very seasonal. I'm very lazy and I'm very cold. So so that's going to be more of a as and when kind of thing, but I'll definitely be in the house a lot. I've got a lot of house plants to try and keep up with. There's a lot of things to cover as well, especially if you're new to plants. Things like, you know, when to water, what kind of soil to get, even stupid little things like where to store your soil, things like that. So definitely let me know what you'd like to see, because I'm definitely going to enjoy it. So yeah, thanks.